Welcome to a Mean Left Hook. Today I'll be showing you how to create the treble crochet stitch. So I've already made the first row. You can see this is quite a tall, lacy kind of stitch. So to create this, what you will do is you're going to yarn over, and then you're going to yarn over again. So you already have the yarn wrapped around your hook twice. Then you insert your hook into the stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull through. So you now have 4 loops on your hook. So when you yarn over, you're going to pull through 2 of those loops. So you now have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through another 2 loops. So you finally have the last 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through both of those. And that is how you get the treble crochet. I'll show you one more time. So you're going to yarn over, and then you're going to yarn over again. So you have the yarn wrapped around your hook twice. You're going to insert your hook into the stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull through the stitch. So you have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So I'm going to go ahead and create a full swatch of the treble crochet stitch, and then I'll come back and show you a comparison of the treble crochet stitch alongside swatches of the double crochet and single crochet stitches. So there is my finished treble crochet swatch. It is 20 stitches wide and 7 rows high, and if we measure, it is 6 inches wide and 6 inches high. So to compare the treble crochet with the double crochet and the single crochet swatches that we've already created in previous videos, you can see as we've gone that the stitches have gotten progressively taller. They've also gotten progressively more open. The single crochet stitch, there are basically no gaps. You can't really see through this unless you actively stretch the material. The double crochet stitch, you can see some very small gaps in it. You know, if you stretch it, of course they expand out. But then the treble crochet stitch, you have some quite large gaps between this. It's really, a much more lacy kind of material that you're creating. And also in terms of time, the single crochet stitch, it required 22 rows of stitches. It took about an hour to create this swatch. The double crochet was 11 rows of stitches. It took about half an hour, as you might expect. The treble crochet only took 7 rows and took me about 20 minutes to create. So that is it for our treble crochet video today. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It really does help me out. And I hope to see you again next week. Happy crocheting!